today I will teach you how to solve exponential inequalities and exponential functions. So first, let's do the exponential inequality. So for exponential inequality, our given is 27 raised to 5x minus 11 greater than or equal to 9 raised to 3x plus 15. So the first step in solving exponential inequality is you should transform your given into standard form. So our standard form would be 27 raised to 5x minus 9 raised to 3x plus 5 greater than 0. So that is our standard form. So later we're going to use that also. So the second step is we should do the critical numbers. We should solve for the critical number. So this is since this is an exponential inequality, we only have one x. So in solving critical numbers, we should equate our standard form into 0. So it would be like 27 raised to 5x minus 11 minus 9 raised to 3x plus 5 equals 0. So then the next step in solving critical number is we should have same base. So since 27 and 9 are both divisible by 3, the base that we're going to use is number 3. So 3 raised to 3 is 27. So we're going to insert 3 beside 5x minus 11, and 3 raised to 2 is 9. So we're going to insert 2 beside 3x plus 5. So it would be like this. 3 raised to 3 times 5x plus minus 11, minus 3 raised to 2 times 3x plus 5 equals 0. Then next is we're going to put down the exponent. So it would be like 3 times 5x minus 11 equals 2 times 3x plus 5. So we're just going to distribute the numbers. So 3 times 5x is 15x minus 33 equals to 6x plus 10. So we're just going to transpose 6 here in the left side. So it would be negative 6 equals 10. Then transpose 33 on the other side. So it would be positive 33. So combine like terms again. So 15 minus x is 9 minus equals to 10 plus 33 is 63. So to eliminate number 9 and for us to find the x, we're just going to divide it by 9 itself. So 9x divided by 9, 63 divided by 9, and x is equal to 7. So the next thing that we're going to do is to plot our x in the number line. So since it is positive 7, our 7 is here. I plot the number 7 here. So our test, we will depend our test value in our x less than 7 and x is greater than 7. So this would be negative infinity to 7 and 7 to positive infinity. So when we plot our x, the next thing that we're going to do is make a table. So the table contains test value, f of x, and sine of f of x. So the ones we're going to put in the table is x less than 7 and x greater than 7. So since it is x less than 7, the test value that we're going to use is negative 6. When you substitute negative 6 here in our standard form, the answer will be negative 3.93. So same thing like here in the second column, x greater than 7. Since it is x greater than 7, we're going to use number 8. And when you substitute number 8 here in our standard form, the answer will be 1.52. So the sign of f of x would be coming from our f of x, which is negative and positive. Second to the last, we're just going to identify what are we going to use. So since our standard form is 27 raised to 5x minus 11 minus 9 raised to 3x plus 5 greater than 0, the what do you call this? The value that we're going to use is this one. The x is greater than 7. So x is greater than 7. So our value here would be open bracket 7 to positive infinity close bracket. So we're just going to plot it, and my circle here is not shaded because we have greater than or equal. And that's so the next topic that I will be teaching you guys is exponential function. So we have 3 different kinds of exponential function, but I only chose one, which is compound interest. So my next topic will be exponential function. So my given is, suppose that you plan to need 10,000 pesos in 36 months time. When your child starts attending university, you want to invest in an instrument yielding 3.5% interest compounded monthly. How much should you invest? First, we need to know what is the formula of our compound interest. So the formula of compound interest is S is equal to P open parenthesis 1 plus J over M close parenthesis raised to T times M. So I will discuss to you guys what is the meaning of each letter. So our S here stands for future value. Our P stands for initial value. Our J stands for annual interest rate, and our M stands for number of compounding periods or year, and T stands for time. So first, let us identify what is our P, our T, our M, and our J. So based on my problem, our P is 10,000 pesos. Our initial value is 10,000 pesos. And our time is 36 years. Our number of compounding periods or years is 12 months. And our annual interest rate is 3.5 or 0.035. So when we solve for the compound interest, we're going to change 3.5% into decimal point. So now let's just use this formula, like I said a while ago, and let's find the answer. So S is equal to 10,000 close open parenthesis 1 plus 0.035 over 12 raised to 30x times 12. So input this into your calculators and you will get 35,189.